If you're serious about off-roading, overlanding, or even just being prepared for emergencies, a reliable winch can make all the difference. Today we're reviewing the OPENROAD 13,500 pounds recovery winch from the Panther Series 3S. It comes with synthetic rope, 2 wireless remotes, IP68 waterproof protection, and a 12 volts electric motor designed for Jeeps, SUVs, trucks, and trailers. But is this winch powerful and durable enough for real-world recovery situations? Let's find out. Right out of the box, this winch feels heavy-duty and solid. The housing is built from durable materials designed to handle mud, rain, and harsh trail conditions. The Panther Series 3S design looks aggressive and rugged, which fits perfectly on off-road builds. The IP68 waterproof rating means it's sealed against dust and capable of withstanding water exposure, a big plus for river crossings or muddy recoveries. With a 13,500 pound rated line pull, this winch is more than capable of handling most full-size trucks, heavily modified Jeeps, and loaded overlanding rigs. That capacity gives you confidence during tough recovery situations. Whether you're stuck in deep mud, sand, or snow, having this much pulling power provides serious recovery capability. One major highlight is the synthetic rope instead of traditional steel cable. Synthetic rope is lighter, safer if it snaps, and easier to handle. It doesn't develop sharp burrs like steel cable can. For off-road enthusiasts, synthetic rope is often preferred for both safety and convenience. This is a 12 volts electric winch, designed to run off your vehicle's battery system. The motor delivers consistent pulling power, and when properly installed with a healthy battery and alternator setup, it performs smoothly under load. As with any winch, recovery should be done carefully and gradually, but the motor feels strong enough for serious use. A standout feature is the inclusion of 2 wireless remotes. That gives you flexibility and backup in case one remote fails or battery dies. Wireless operation allows you to stand at a safer distance while controlling the winch. Many users also appreciate having a wired option as a backup, depending on setup. The IP68 waterproof rating means this winch is built for tough environments. Dust, rain, mud, and even temporary water immersion won't easily compromise its internal components. For serious off-roaders, that durability is essential. This winch is designed for Jeeps, SUVs, trucks, and trailers with compatible bumpers or mounting plates. Installation requires proper wiring to the battery and secure mounting. If you're comfortable with basic automotive electrical work, installation is manageable. Otherwise, professional installation ensures safety and reliability. Overall, the OPENROAD 13,500 pounds Panther Series 3S winch is a strong and capable recovery tool for serious off-roaders. It combines power, safety, and durability at a competitive level. If you want peace of mind on the trail and a winch that can handle heavy-duty recoveries, this one is definitely worth considering. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what vehicle you'd mount this winch on.